Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a nice functional protective set for Switch 2. So Switch 2 is pretty much the new one which is recently released, and this is the protector for that. It comes in this really nice box, and so it's a superior storage, so it's quite safe, multifunctional storage, so it has some more spaces, easy to store, and shockproof. Perhaps the shockproof is the most important one for the Switch users. It has got basically a couple of different compartments in here. So it has basically, you can actually store your Switch. You can have also the accessories around it placed in different compartments of this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's open up the box from here. Go. So this is the bag, and well, that's it. Pretty big bag, I would say. It's really nice quality, I would say. So pretty strong, really strong. It's a kind of soft plastic, but quite protective, I would say. It's not something that can be damaged, but quite elastic. Let's open this up. Wow. We have got also, alright, so I got it. So now it says there is a protective side for these side joysticks as well. So that's what it meant in here. I thought it means there's a space for those, but cool. So it also comes with this one. Even for the joystick buttons, you have got different covers. Also, there is a glass one in here. This is really nice. So it's a hard plastic, this one. Pretty cool. And this is a soft plastic, obviously, yeah. Another one for the other side. Looks like this. And basically, it comes with this cover glass as well for the front screen. Quite nice. It's very flexible, I would say, but pretty good plastic, I would say. A transparent plastic. So in terms of the quality, actually really good quality, I would say. The plastic is quite nice, I would say. So it's not really like very hard or sharp plastic. It's very well cut. I mean, when you touch it, you don't feel any sharp corners anywhere. Really nicely done. And it can open as well from somewhere, I think from the corners. Let's have a look. No, you just need to, I think, oh, there we go. So it can be opened from here or from there. There we go. So from there and there, and then can be removed from the side, I think. Yep, there we go, like this. So it has some corners here, very nicely thought actually. I mean, these connection parts, so it goes back quite smooth as well, but strong as well at the same time. So like this, there we go, connected. Really nice quality, I would say. And let's have a look at the other side, see what we have in there. There is also the screen protector, very nice. There are two of those. Very cool. And this is the cleaning, obviously a typical thing. So basically you can clean the screen and then dry it and then stick the cover on top of it. Perfect. So this is basically where you will have the Switch stored. This is a protection layer like this, very soft. It comes on top of the screen, and this is basically where you put the rest of the stuff as well. Yeah, pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. That's pretty much it. And let's see if we are missing anywhere. Well, perhaps we can talk about this as well. So this strap is pretty cool. You can actually hold it in your hand like this. And the zip is really nice zip as well. So it can be closed really nicely and smooth. So it's a protection on top of the zip. So it's like you have got the zip like this, so which can be always closed easily, so nothing gets stuck on it. Because sometimes, probably you know, so there are like some zips which they get stuck to the clothes, so it's very hard to close them. It's not the case here. and it's pretty strong, as I said, so it's very strong. But again, it's not like a hard plastic which could break. It would not break, I can say. Yeah, nice design, well thought, good product. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.